It is our great pleasure and honor to welcome Ms. Vera Zararieva, one of the Bulgarians' most respected yoga educationer and visionary leader in the field of holistic well-being, with over 25 years of experience in Hatha Yoga, meditation, pranayama, yoga nidra, yoga therapy, and yoga for children. She has dedicated her life to advancing authentic yoga education and practice, currently serving as chairperson of Bulgarian Yoga Federation, chairperson of Sports Club Vaira, and visiting lecturer at the National Sports Academy Bulgaria. She continues to inspire future generations of yoga practitioners and teachers, holding degree in yoga, sports psychology, and enriched by advanced training in Kaivalya Dharma Institute, India. She skillfully integrates traditional yogic wisdom with modern psychological understanding. Through her seminars, camps, and educational initiatives, she promotes yoga as a pathway to health, balance, and social well-being. Ms. Zaveria embodies wisdom, dedication, compassion, and transformative leadership, making her a true ambassador of yoga in the modern world. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ms. Vera Zararieva.
Hello, everyone. Nice to see you here. And
Namaste,
United
Veeraji. Most
Consciousness
welcome.
is the place that we practice. Namaste. Nice to hear you.
We are
Let's start
delighted
with
that you will
pranayama
guide us
practice
through our
for
meditation.
beginners.
Yes.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Let's prepare ourselves to make some pranayama practice. Stay calmly. Sit in your comfortable position. Sit in cross-leg position. If it's not possible for you this, please sit on the chair. And now prepare yourself for start your own time with yourself. Observe your breath. Observe your breathing and feel yourself calmly. Observe your antarjyotik or inner light. Now we do some pranayama with your belly. Breathe in with your belly. Breathe out with your belly. Feel this. Breathe in with your belly. Breathe out slowly, deeply, prolonging your breath inside in your Manipura chakra. Again, breathe in. Observe your breath and breathe out only with your stomach, only with your Manipura chakra inside. Do it one more time. And one more time. Allow yourself to be here, now and here, with your inner peace. Now we make some breath exercise with your chest. And now breathe with your chest, deeply, slowly. And exhale with your chest. Feel this. Observe this. Stay here with your breath. Again, with your chest, feel in, deeply and slowly. Exhale. Stay with yourself. Stay with your inner peace with the mantra. One more time. Stay within, without. Observe your inner peace. Only for that few breathe in and breathe out, you feel more comfortable within yourself. Now we breathe with your throat. Breathe in with your throat. Breathe out with your throat. Please, you have to hear your own breath. Stay there. Stay in your deeply prolonging breath. Now, morphine. You have to be settled and more in. One more breath with your throat. In and out. And more comfortable within you. Now, look your breath in your nostril. Look the breath only there to calm down your nervous system. Breathe in with your nostril. Breathe out only with your nostril. Look there, observe there, your breath there. Look inside. And now you observe what happened with your mind, what happened with your body. Relax your shoulders, relax your chest, spine, hips. Relax the knees, ankles, foot. Relax your face. You see how fast is this to make yourself calm and calm only for a few breaths. Now we make some other pranayama practice, Kapalabhati practice. Put your palm on your belly and feel only belly. Feel in and feel out only our belly. Now, the inhalation is spontaneously. Exhalation is fast and quick, like this. Inhalation is alone. Exhalation with you, fast and quick. Inhalation, slowly, spontaneously. Exhalation, fast, with noise, with contraction on your belly region. Again, do it this 30 times with your own sequence. Do it with yourself. Listen, observe, be here. Count your breathing out. When you finish, exhale deeply and stay there. Come back or without hold. Without breath, hold breath out. Now, inhale deeply, slowly. And again, hold your breath. Hold breath in. Deeply exhalation. We do the same again. Kapalabhati again. Inhale with your stomach, with your belly, and fast exhalation. Again, inhale with your belly and fast exhalation. Again, with your sequence, you do it alone. Be patient. And when you finish, exhale deeply, slowly, with consciousness. Stay there with pause. Stay there without breath. Observe yourself in this. And now inhale deeply, slowly. And stay in the comeback. Stay, observe, be. Normal breathing. Inhale and exhale slowly. Now, keep your eyes closed. Observe your mind. Observe your body. Observe your feeling. What you feel. Observe your inner silence, inner peace, inner light. You have to be there in yourself and see what pranayama do it. You see what pranayama make with your mind. Soft, calm, gentle, with good thoughts, with good feelings, emotions. Enjoy yourself. This is you with your inner peace. Now we make Ujjayi Pranayam. Observe your throat. Observe yourself with that religion in the throat. Inhale in the throat. When you contract the throat, you have to hear some noise like this. But do it with closed mouth. And exhalation deeply only with your throat. Here and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. More prolonging your deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Now we do to 10. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And exhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, inhale only with your throat. Contract your throat and hear your voice sound with your breath in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold here with Bhakya Kumbhak. Hold, hold, and now exhaling to 10. 1, 2, 3 on your throat. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And be you. Namaste.
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 Thank you very much, Meeraji, for such a blissful pranayama meditation. And thank you for blessing United Consciousness with your presence and being a part of the family. Thank you.
Thank you a lot.